Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, November the 22nd, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. This one is a 4 Star Sudoku, 4 Star Sudoku number 9640. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4 Star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. 2 4s. 1 5. 2 3 6s. 2 3 7s. 3 8s and 4 9s. All right. So can I start with the 9? Let me see. Can I start with the 9? Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Okay, and now, how about the 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6 6 6 6. Okay, then let me see. Need a 4 here, need a 7 here. Yeah. 8. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 6 and 8 in the first row, the 6 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Now we have 5 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 4 could be here, could be there. Well, 5 5 5 3 3 3. Well. Need a 3 here. 8 there, 8 there. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left 2 should be there. 1 2 3 4 8 6 2 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Come on. 4 2 8 and the 6. Well, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and the 6 in this row, so no 8 and the 6 in this box. The 8 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes as a triplet, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6. So one digit left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column, 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the first column should be there. So 3 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for 4 should be there. So the 1 and 7 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and 7. Then 3, 3, 9, 7. Come on, come on. Need a 3 here or there. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 8, 8, 8, 8 there. Yeah. 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left. 6, could be here, could be there. 2, 3, need a 4. I need a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with 5 should be there. 5, 5. I need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 here in the first row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with 2 should be there. What are these 3 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 1, 5. The 6, 7 is missing, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the last column, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left now. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 7, and I need a 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this column, no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Yeah, 2 numbers left, 8 and 6. Okay. Then let me think. 5. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, no need 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with the 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Yeah, 2 numbers left. The 8. Oh, 8, 6, and a 4. We have a 6 there, so the 8 and 4 are left. 8 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 8 and the 6. Yeah. No 4. 8 and the 6. Here we have a pair. 8 and the 6. That means the other. Oh, wait. 8 and a 6, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then 1 box left now in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 8 and a 6. 4, 5, 8, and a 6. Well. How about the 3? Yes. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. So here 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 8 or 6. We have a 6 there. So this box should be an 8. 8 or 6. We have an 8 there. So this box should be a 6. 8 or 6. We have a 6 here. So this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this mix. Well, I believe the 6. Yeah, we have an 8 here. 6 and 8. 2 numbers left in this mix. Well, for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. No, 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Well. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.